Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here. We are here today at my house. Normally you know me as Peterson Electric. Just want to talk today about my own personal domestic weed eater. This is an SF450, okay? And it's a fairly small one. It's about, I don't know, 4 foot tall. But I love the design and how well it holds, and my kids can use it. So first of all, I want to talk to you about the gas mixture. This is an oil gas mixture pre-done. And I get that from Jack's in Loveland here. Go ahead and open that up. You'll fill it up, just not over the grass, otherwise that gas will kill it. You come up to this neck right here, right where it starts to change. Make sure that's on tight. When you go to prime it, there's a plastic bubble right here. You'll prime it 2-3 times to fill it with gas. You'll go to your choke mode at the top. You'll make sure it's in the on position with the line side, that number 1 looking down. You'll have 2 safety mechanisms, one push here, one here, and then you're going to go to choke, and you're only going to strike it once or twice for that stroke. Now this is already warmed up, and then you're going to put it to the next position. Go ahead and come around here. You put it in the next position right down. There's a little knob here you can feel. You go to that next position. You don't want to go to the bottom because that's off, okay? Once you do that one strike, you'll come out here and you'll hit it 2-3 times and it'll start. Let it warm up. As soon as you get at a 45-degree angle, it'll want to choke out on you. Turn it off, real simple. Hit off. Take it down. And again, go all the way back up for your choke if it's cold. So that's kind of how you start it. Otherwise, if you do more on choke, you will flood these. I had to learn that the hard way. When you're going to change out the head, you're going to use a steel bar that they've given you. Come over here. You're going to insert it here right about 7 o'clock. And now it's still typically righty-tighty if you're looking at the bottom of it. So lefty-loosey is going to be opposite when I'm staring at it. And that's going to pull off just like that. When you pull it off, go ahead and squat down. These pieces will come off. Don't freak out. This right here is your octagon and your octagon. Put that back together like that. This guy will sandwich apart. You'll take your blades off. Okay? I like to keep my blades during the 9 months of the year it's not freezing in water, so they're softer. So I'll take my old ones that are bad and throw them away. These are good. I'm just trying to show you this. And they have a nice slight edge to it. So that does mean there's a way that this thing actually turns, which is clockwise. So you want your blades to cut into the grass at that angle. Once you put those on, you'll sandwich this back together. You'll then put this back on and you'll twist it clockwise. Then you'll shove in this steel rod, catch it, you can feel it catch, and you just want to be like this, just hand tight, nothing more. Pull out your rod, put it back with your gasoline so you don't lose it. Put all that on the shelf with itself, because there's nothing more frustrating than trying to just cut your grass and you can't find anything. Make sure that's well organized. Take your plastic bag if you want, just throw your old ones in here, put a date on it, and then you know exactly how long they lasted and how many you need. So when I go to Jack's, I hate going to Jack's trying to find stuff. They seem to be out of stuff during the summertime, so I pre-buy all my stuff right around April, May, and I buy enough for the whole entire season, and then I may buy enough for the next year. So the gasoline, again, remember, you can use this, but when you go to put it away in the wintertime, you might want to put this inside a climate-controlled area because it's already cracked, the seal's been cracked. I try not to buy too much extra gas in the winter because my sheds, go ahead and show them, they are not insulated. So I don't want it to freeze. The last thing is that when you go to winterize it, all you're going to simply do is turn it on and run it dry. And you're going to keep cutting your grass until you know the last time you're going to do it, you're down low. And usually when I hit right here, by the time I'm done cutting it, it's run out. Once it's run out, you're winterized. After all the gas is out, go ahead and turn it upside down. Make sure there's nothing left in here. Try stroking it again to turn it on. If it doesn't choke and turn on, then you know you're dry. Anyways, guys, hopefully that helped you out. There's a lot of things that I had to learn with just the maintenance of this weed eater. I've had it 4 years. It's been fantastic for me to use. Haven't had a lick of issue with it other than figuring out how to use that carburetor and turn it on. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining us. If you have any concerns, just let us know. Take care.